Hi, Christina again. Let's see what today's question is. So when you start to sweat, what happens underneath the hair system is eventually the sweat will evaporate once you start to cool down and you're no longer feeling hot or warm. It shouldn't really affect the adhesive. It might break down the adhesive a little bit, but once you start to cool down and everything's dried completely, the adhesive and everything would adhere properly again. So sweating will eventually break down the adhesive, causing you to have to come back or do your own maintenance a little more frequently. Well, we have our Walker Scalp Protector, which kind of helps with oiliness or like humidity, spraying that before applying any tape adhesive or glue adhesive, and prior to applying the system on, that would probably be a good option. Well, that's it for today. If you have any other further questions, comment down below.